The 2014 Corvette Stingray is all about capability to achieve maximum performance. For some drivers, that means road racing. Performance traction management is a function that is not meant for the street or highway. It is meant specifically for track use. Performance traction management integrates the traction control, StabiliTrak, and selective ride control systems to provide improved and consistent performance when cornering. Corvettes that have the performance traction management feature are those equipped with the magnetic selective ride control, which requires the Z51 performance package. To operate, place the driver mode select switch in the track mode. Then, press the center button for StabiliTrak and traction control twice, quickly. When you do this, the message, Perf Track 1, Wet Active Handling On, will display in the Driver Information Center. From this point, the other operating modes of performance traction management can be selected. There are a total of 5. Their selection is accomplished using the driver mode select knob and turning it clockwise or counterclockwise. Notably, the selections can be done in real time while driving. The mode selected will show up in the Driver Information Center. The modes are as follows. Perf Track 1, Wet Active Handling On. This is intended for all driver skill levels and traction control is set for wet conditions. Perf Track 2, Dry Active Handling On. This setting is used by less experienced drivers or while learning a new track when the track is dry. Perf Track 3, Sport Active Handling On. This is for use by drivers who are familiar with the track on dry conditions only. It requires more driving skill than Mode 2. Perf Track 4, Sport Active Handling Off. This is for use by drivers who are familiar with the track on dry conditions only. It requires more driving skill than Modes 2 and 3. Perf Track 5, Race Active Handling Off. This mode is for experienced drivers who are familiar with the track on dry conditions only. To turn off performance traction management, press the center button on the driver mode select knob. This information and more can be found in sections 5 and 9 of the owner manual.